Let's learn about food labels. In part 1 of How to Read a Food Label, I introduced what a food label is and why we use it. In this video, we will talk about how to use the information provided. Let's start with serving size. This is arguably the most important part of a nutrition fact label. Serving size not only suggests how much of a food to eat, it tells us how many vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients our body will take in based on how much we do eat. On this label, the serving size is 2/3 cup or 55 grams by weight. If I eat one serving, all of the nutrients shown are exactly what my body will take in. You can see 10% of fat or 8 grams, 10% of vitamin D or 2 micrograms, and 45% of iron or 8 milligrams, and so on as listed. But if I choose to eat more or less than the suggested amount, this changes how many nutrients I get. And this is where the amount of servings in a package matters. This box of mac and cheese has 2.5 servings in it. This means if I choose to eat the whole box, I have to multiply all of my nutrients by 2.5. 230 calories becomes 570 calories. 160 milligrams of sodium becomes 400, and 8 grams of fat becomes 24 grams of fat. Or I can just eat the serving size to get the exact amount of nutrients listed. Next, let's look at calories. Calories are the amount of energy provided by a food. This amount can help us know if an item could be a snack or a meal. Typically, a snack is below 200 calories, but there really aren't any rules. If you're hungry, you may need to eat more. If you're not as hungry, you may eat less. The amount of food we eat is based on our age, our gender, and our activity level. And this means that the amount we eat every single day can be different because our needs change. So lastly, let's take a look at the nutrients the food provides. Some nutrients, like saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars, we want to limit when possible. And some nutrients, like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, we want to make sure we get enough of. One way to make sure we are getting the nutrients we need is to look at the percent daily value. Those percentages help us understand how much of a nutrient we are eating based on how much we need in a day. We will talk more about the percent daily value in the next video. Talk to you soon.